Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to back up WhatsApp chat on our phone, and let's dive right in. Now to back up WhatsApp chat on our phone, first open up your WhatsApp app, and from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon for us on the WhatsApp. Tap on the three-lined icon and this kind of panel will open where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the start messages, tap on settings, and over here you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here guys you'll be required to scroll down until you can see the chat backup option available for us. Tap on chat backup and you will be over here on the backup panel of your WhatsApp chat. Now in order to proceed, you can see you can go through some of these options, just like you can choose your frequency over here, and then you can choose to include your videos or not, or you can choose to back up using your cellular data. If you don't want that, tap on that toggle icon, it will be turned off. And over here you can choose your Google account as well. Guys, I have already chosen a Google account, so you can add an account to proceed to back up your WhatsApp chat from over here. So since I have already added the Google account on my WhatsApp, guys, I'll not be proceeding to the login process of Google, but you can sign in over here. And after that, after choosing your account, tap on the backup option over here, and then your chats of the WhatsApp will be backed up on your phone as well as your Google account. And with that being said guys, this is how to back up WhatsApp chat on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.